Pushing back quickly, Gwynn up and under move, nice! Long outlet pass. Watts finishing in transition, gives the Explosion a 4-point lead. Quickly, Donald Watts up! Trapped on the baseline, Keller comes to the rescue, knocks down a three, rattles it home. Now long three-point attempt by Weekly, nothing but the bottom of the net. They want to hold for last shot, turnover created by the Explosion. Hendricks off the steal, gets the layup, and puts the Explosion up three. Time it was tied, poked away. Donald Watts with the flush. And the Explosion come away with their 6th win of the season, 118-115 over the Portland Chinooks.